Hi friends, welcome to Preeti's Recipes. Today we are going to see how to make chicken biryani. Take a pressure cooker and add 5 tablespoons oil. Then once the oil becomes hot, add 2 tsp garam masala, add 2 tsp ginger paste, and 2 tsp garlic paste. Mix it well until the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. That is approximately for 2 minutes. Then add 1 big onion and cook it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 tomatoes and then cook it for 2 minutes. Now we are going to add 1.35 pounds of chicken or 0.61 kg of chicken. And then add some salt according to your taste. And half tsp turmeric powder, 3 green chilies, six tsp chili powder, mix it well. And add 1/4 cup of curd. Mix it well and keep it in medium flame for 10 minutes or until the chicken is half cooked. Once the chicken is half cooked, add water. For 1 cup rice, you have to add 1.5 cup of water. I have used 5 cups rice, so I have used 7.5 cups of water. Use the same cup you used to measure the rice for the water. Now mix it well. And then add few pudina leaves. Coriander leaves. And let the water boil. I have washed and soaked the basmati rice for half an hour. Once the water starts to boil, add the rice to it. And mix it gently. Now in this stage, check if the salt and the spice is enough for you and add more if you want to. Then close the cooker. Once the steam comes, put the weight on it and slow the heat. And keep it in for 5 minutes. Now turn off the heat and let it stand for 5 more minutes. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker and add 2 tsp ghee and mix it well. There you go, yummy chicken biryani is ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you, bye.